Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alfred Apesi and I'm a learning coach. I'm a pharmacist by the way by profession, and I make learning easy for students, workers and people interested in learning a skill. Today I want to tell you 3 reasons why you forget, because I've gotten these questions a lot. Say, sir, I used to read and I used to understand and I used to forget too. Can you help me? So I'm about to answer that question now. Let's go. There are 3 reasons why most students, especially students, forget. Number one reason is it's very funny. You did not note what you want to remember. That was why you forgot. For example, if I carry a textbook and I open a topic and say, tell me about the digestive system, do you know you speak less words because I was not specific? Do you understand? So the first reason why most people forget, most especially students, is you don't pinpoint what you want to remember. Although you understood it though, but you are not specific on what you really want to know and what you really want to retain in your head. That was why you forgot. Number two reason why you forgot is your process of encoding. The process of encoding that you use. Encoding simply means carrying the information from the book, keeping it in your head in such a way that it will remain in your head. That's what they call encoding. How do you get the information from the book into your head and let that information remain there? They call it encoding. If you have poor encoding strategy, it will not stay in your head. The last one is your memorization technique, your recall technique. Which technique do you use to remember things? Yeah, most of us, what we use is nothing. We don't have any technique to remember. That's why we don't remember. I will tell you one way of remembering. It's called retrieval practice. In other words, practice questions you think will come out from exams. It is the most effective means of recalling everything you have read. It is scientifically proven. You can browse it, you can check it, you can ask some cognitive scientists. They will tell you the best way you remember things that you have read is by practicing it, because the neurons in your brain, they get fatter, they get more bigger when you practice. Do you understand? Have you ever heard practice makes perfect? Aha, you see, ba? It's true. So it means the more you practice your exam questions and test questions, you get better. It is easy for you to recall it back. So number one reason why you forget is you don't note what you want to remember. So when I read, this is what I do. I will note down 3 things from every page I want to remember. So from this page, I want to remember this thing, and this one. Do you understand? So if you note what you want to remember, you are more likely to remember it. Number two is poor encoding technique. You don't know how to encode. Do you understand? The neural connectivity, that one is big English, I'm coming. The link between old information and new information is not strong enough. You must make it strong enough by using analogy, using storytelling technique. Do you understand? By going deep into understanding of that thing, that's how you make it stronger. That's how you encode more efficiently. And the third reason why you forget is what? Can you remember? Okay, let me just tell you why you forget. You have poor recalling technique. You don't know how to recall things. So I told you to use what? Retrieval practice. It works a lot. It works better than every other one. Do you understand? Most people use rote repetition for all. You want to memorize something, you use rote repetition. You want to understand, you use rote repetition. You want to encode, you use rote repetition. No, now it works for virtually nobody. No, if you retain information based on the fact that you repeated it, it's because you have good memory. God gave you good memory. But normally it doesn't work. So please, if this video helped you, or you want me to give explanation to more content on study techniques, you can just leave a comment behind and I will respond to you anytime, any day. Thank you for watching. I still remain Alfred.